the Spirit bid me to speak out. And I told my brethren that I'll not go back to any church unless it comes out of Ethiopia. And I did not have any opportunity to meet with the church until I was around 30 years old, when a good friend of mine came and told me that a bishop is here who comes from Ethiopia. And then I started to inquire about the church, because he's the one that let me know that there's a church that comes out of Ethiopia, which is the one Holy Universal Apostolic Ethiopian Orthodox Church. So from there, I became more conscious of about the church. Then it caused me now to start reflect on the Rastafarian movement, because I heard so many things that is said by the Rastafarian, but going to the church, it's a different explanation, it's a different knowledge. Because the Rastafarians divide themselves, as you know, from the people, saying that they are different and they are godly men, holy people. But as we know, we are taught that one cannot be holy or godly unless that person is baptized and give their life to Christ. Then we can say they are living a saintly life or living a holy life. So, being among Rastafarian, because my people used to do rentals, so a group of Rastafarians came to my home and they rented place. So that caused me to know so much about Rastafarians. And being in the church now, it was a good opportunity to compare the teachings of the church to what I hear Rastafarians saying out of themselves out there. So I can safely say that I can help to guide the people toward the true way of living a godly life or a Christian life.